Okay, family, if you have this situation at home where you have a floodlight and it looks like this, where it is broken right here at the end and it's in this condition, get it changed. How about that? Safety first. So anyway, today I'm going to be changing this light out right here, and I figured I'll have you tag along with me. All right, family, I'm going to replace that light with this light. All right, now let's see if the hardware on this thing is gonna match up, or am I gonna have to make adjustments? First, I wanna see if it's still hot. I turned the switch off, but I'm gonna check and make sure that there's no power running to it. I didn't kill the power to the house, I just turned the light switch off. So, all right guys, this is a great tool, your Volt Alert voltage checker. Some call it a dumb stick, like I said before, but this one is a fluke, and to tell you if there's power running to this thing. Nothing at the hot neutral. All right. Oh, look at that. A rabbit. Look at that. Rabbit is still there. And he's coming right by me. I've never seen this before, guys. Look at this. Hey there, little rabbit. Hey there. Wow, you coming mighty close. If I had a little something to give you, I would give it, because look at you. I mean, you are really, really close. Alrighty. I'm going to double check again where I have this power disconnected. Alright. If it was hot, it'll be beeping right now. So I could also pull out my multimeter and check with that, but I don't feel that is necessary. So let's get this done and done. All right, see how easy that was, guys. I mean, it was easy. All right, so now I took this piece off earlier, and this is gonna hold, that's gonna screw into here. This is gonna hold up to there, so I'm gonna put this bar back up here. All right, there we go, that's nice and secure. This is lightweight, guys. That's why it's holding on temporarily to that ground wire. photo cell can, I think that might be good enough right there. to see daylight. Alright, so let's adjust these. You can loosen them up and turn them and do all that kind of stuff. Alright, so see how they can turn. Tighten it up here. Alright, so let's turn the power on. And with it being dusk to dawn, sometimes you gotta cover that photo sensor up before it will come on. Let's look. Guess I could have read the directions. I've never put this particular one up, but I'll put many up. There it is, right here. If light does not come on or stay on, cover photo control light should come on. These didn't come on either, so there must be a different light switch for these. All right, I'll be back. I'm going to find the correct light switch